Today we are going to attempt PyTorch quiz and I'm here on this quizzes tab. So let's scroll down to all quizzes section here and search for PyTorch. So let's start the quiz. So what is the purpose of calling model.train? So it's used to set the mode of the model. Option D. The optimizer can be used for which of the following cases? Select all that apply. So it's used for a couple of things like zeroing gradients and updating the parameters. Which of the following operations are always valid and do not throw an error? Select all that apply. So it's option A, C and E. Which of the following operations are valid and do not throw an error? Select all that apply. So this is option B and option C. Which of the following methods should be implemented in a custom model? Given the partially implemented models below, how many tensors are returned by my model.parameters? So it will return total of 3 tensors. Option A. Which of the following answers correctly calculates the output for a multi-layer network with one hidden layer and one output layer with the following weight 1, weight 2 weight matrices and B1, B2 biases? So it should be option B. Which of the following correctly calculates the output Y of a single neural network with the following input features, weights and biases? So it's option E. Which of the following tensors may be used as trainable parameters? So with required underscore grid equal to 2 should be trainable parameters. So it's option A, option B, option D and option E. You have been provided with the following code snippet. Using the choices given below, fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options at their respective places. So option E is correct. What is the purpose of calling model.eval? Set the mode of the model. What would be the output of the following code? Which method is used by the optimizer to update the parameters? Which of the following correctly multiplies the following features and weight matrices? So we have successfully completed the test. Let's wait for the results. And let's scroll down again. And let's search for PyTorch here. And as you can see, we have successfully passed the quiz. So if you have enjoyed the video and if you would like to see more videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel.